You're not going to believe this, but the 2026 Honda Pilot fixes every problem owners have been complaining about for years. Since day one, this mid-size SUV has been one of the best options around, but it wasn't exactly flawless. It has always been criticized for a couple major drawbacks, but now that has been sorted out, so make sure to stay with us and take a quick look at the best Pilot ever. Efficient, finally. For years, the Honda Pilot has earned praise as one of the most reliable and refined SUVs in its class. Its naturally aspirated V6 engine delivers smooth, dependable performance that Honda owners have come to expect. But in an era where electrified rivals dominate fuel economy charts and turbocharged competitors provide instant low-end torque, the Pilot's traditional powertrain has felt increasingly outdated. The 2026 model year changes everything with the introduction of Honda's advanced hybrid system. The new hybrid system pairs a refined 2-liter gasoline engine with Honda's proven dual motor setup, generating an impressive 321 horsepower. That's a significant jump from the 285 horsepower of the standard V6, giving families more confidence when merging onto highways or climbing steep grades with a full load of passengers and cargo. But power is only half the story. Where the current Pilot manages around 19 miles per gallon in city driving and 25 miles per gallon on the highway, the hybrid variant is expected to achieve over 30 miles per gallon combined. For families who drive 15,000 miles annually, this improvement translates to savings of over 100 gallons of fuel per year. With fluctuating gas prices, this efficiency gain represents hundreds of dollars in annual savings while significantly reducing the family's carbon footprint. The hybrid system also addresses the low-end torque issue that has long plagued naturally aspirated engines. Electric motors provide instant torque from a standstill, making the Pilot feel more responsive in stop-and-go traffic and when pulling away from traffic lights. This enhanced responsiveness makes daily driving more enjoyable while maintaining the refined character that Honda owners value. Enhanced tech features. Technology has been another area where the Pilot has lagged behind its competition. While the SUV comes well-equipped with safety features and connectivity options, the base model's 7-inch infotainment screen has drawn criticism from many buyers. In an age where smartphones have 6-inch screens, a 7-inch display in a $40,000-plus SUV feels undersized and outdated. Honda addresses this concern head-on in the 2026 Pilot by standardizing the larger 9-inch touchscreen across all trim levels. This upgrade ensures that every Pilot buyer gets a properly sized display that's easier to see and navigate while driving. The larger screen improves the user experience for everything from navigation to media control, making the cabin feel more modern and premium. The infotainment system itself receives important updates beyond just screen size. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, eliminating the need for cables and reducing dashboard clutter. The system's processing power has been increased to reduce lag and improve responsiveness when switching between functions. Voice recognition has been enhanced to better understand natural speech patterns, making it easier to control navigation, climate settings, and media without taking hands off the wheel. Honda's commitment to keeping physical controls remains strong in the 2026 Pilot. Climate control knobs and buttons are retained for quick access without diving into touchscreen menus. This thoughtful approach balances modern technology with practical usability, something many competitors have abandoned in favor of touch-only interfaces. Build quality. Honda's reputation for exceptional build quality continues with the 2026 Pilot, but the improvements go beyond just durability. The interior showcases Honda's commitment to creating a family-friendly environment that can withstand years of daily use while maintaining its appeal. The 3-row layout provides genuine seating for 8 passengers, with the 3rd row offering more space than many competitors manage to achieve. Passenger space throughout the cabin remains generous, with the 2nd row offering excellent legroom and easy access to the 3rd row. Honda's engineers have optimized the seating position to provide good visibility for all passengers while maintaining comfortable entry and exit. The captain's chairs available on higher trims add an element of luxury while reducing passenger capacity to 7. Cargo space behind the 3rd row measures a useful 18.6 cubic feet, expanding to 48.5 cubic feet with the 3rd row folded. When both rear rows are down, the Pilot offers up to 87 cubic feet of cargo space, enough for large items like furniture or sports equipment. The power liftgate makes loading and unloading easier, especially when hands are full with groceries or luggage. While the Pilot's interior may not feature the flashiest materials or most eye-catching design elements, it excels in areas that matter most to families. The plastics feel substantial and resistant to scratches and wear. Seat fabrics are chosen for durability rather than luxury, capable of handling spills, pet hair, and the general wear that comes with family life. The overall design prioritizes function over form, with plenty of storage compartments, cup holders, and charging points throughout the cabin. Trail Sport. The Trailsport trim represents Honda's answer to families who want three-row versatility without sacrificing outdoor capability. Since its introduction, the Trailsport has provided a compelling solution for drivers who need both suburban practicality and weekend adventure capability. The 2026 model year continues this evolution with refinements that make it even more capable off the beaten path. The Trailsport's enhanced ground clearance and specialized suspension tuning allow it to tackle terrain that would challenge conventional crossovers. All-terrain tires provide extra grip on loose surfaces, while skid plates protect vital components from rocks and debris. The hill descent control system maintains safe speeds on steep declines, giving drivers confidence when exploring challenging trails. What sets the Trailsport apart from typical off-road packages is its retention of on-road refinement. The suspension tuning strikes a balance between off-road capability and highway comfort, ensuring that daily driving doesn't suffer for the sake of trail performance. The all-wheel drive system automatically adjusts power distribution based on conditions, providing extra traction when needed without requiring driver intervention. The Trailsport also serves as a lifestyle statement, with distinctive exterior styling that sets it apart from standard Pilot models. The black trim pieces, unique wheels, and Trailsport badging communicate outdoor capability while maintaining the refined appearance that Honda buyers expect. V6 smoothness. Despite the excitement surrounding the new hybrid powertrain, Honda wisely retains the naturally aspirated V6 option for buyers who prefer traditional motivation. This 3.5-liter engine has been refined over decades of development, earning a reputation for smoothness, reliability, and longevity that few powertrains can match. The V6's smooth power delivery remains one of its strongest attributes. Unlike turbocharged engines that can feel jerky or inconsistent, the naturally aspirated V6 provides linear acceleration that feels natural and predictable. The engine note is subdued and refined, never intrusive even under hard acceleration. This characteristic makes it particularly well suited to family use, where smooth operation and quiet running are valued over outright performance. Reliability has always been a hallmark of Honda's V6 engines, and the Pilot's power plant continues this tradition. The engine's simple design with proven components and conservative tuning contributes to exceptional longevity. Many Honda V6 engines exceed 300,000 miles with regular maintenance, making them ideal for families who plan to keep their vehicles for many years. The 10-speed automatic transmission paired with the V6 has been refined to provide smoother shifts and better fuel economy. The transmission's wide ratio spread allows the engine to operate in its most efficient range more often, contributing to improved fuel economy compared to earlier generations. The transmission logic has been updated to provide more intuitive behavior in various driving situations. For buyers who prioritize simplicity and proven technology, the V6 remains an excellent choice. There are fewer complex systems to maintain, and the powertrain's straightforward operation makes it easy for any mechanic to service. This simplicity translates to lower long-term ownership costs and greater peace of mind for families who depend on their vehicle for daily transportation. Release date and price. Honda has confirmed that the 2026 Pilot will arrive in dealerships later this year, positioning it perfectly for families shopping for their next three-row SUV. The timing allows Honda to incorporate the latest safety and technology features while addressing the feedback from current owners who have identified areas for improvement. Pricing remains competitive with current model levels, ensuring that the Pilot continues to offer exceptional value in the crowded three-row SUV market. The base sport trim, priced a little bit over $40,000, provides an impressive level of standard equipment, including the enlarged infotainment screen, comprehensive safety features, and quality construction that Honda is known for. This approach makes the Pilot accessible to a broad range of families while still offering premium features for those who want them. In a segment where competitors regularly exceed $50,000 for well-equipped models, the Pilot's pricing strategy maintains its position as a value leader. The combination of Honda's reputation for reliability, comprehensive warranty coverage, and strong resale values makes the total cost of ownership particularly attractive. Families can expect their Pilot to retain its value better than many competitors while providing years of dependable service. For families considering their options in the three-row SUV segment, the 2026 Honda Pilot represents a compelling choice that addresses previous shortcomings while building on established strengths. The combination of improved efficiency, enhanced technology, proven build quality, and competitive pricing creates a package that's difficult to match in today's market. But the segment is more competitive than ever, with so many great options on the market. Check out this video about the upcoming 2026 Kia Telluride, which you can now see on the screen. Already an impressive SUV, Kia's flagship is getting a complete redesign, with critical improvements that could make it an absolute class leader.